Hey, good morning, good afternoon. Again, this is Butch Bartolome of the Business Mentor blog, Sunday. But today, we have a very interesting guest, a lady, as they say, empowered women. Okay. She's known as a CEO and founder of Modern Ads and Promo. And she has a business that's 30 years, but she's a person with a compassionate heart. Okay. She has different businesses, but ano ba ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon is how to be a real person establishing your success journey. So with that, let us introduce Ana Lisa Laksamana. Ana, good morning, good afternoon to you on a Sunday. Kamusta?
Good morning. Para bang Sir Butch ba o Butch na lang, no?
Hindi naman siguro, butch na lang. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning or good afternoon, no, Butch. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me, no. Yeah.
Yes. So, Anna, how did you ever begin your journey? Because, as a business mentor, we always want to say, where did this person begin? Where is the start? Ano ba pinagsimula ni Anna?
Parang yung isang oras natin baka magkulang. Pero I'll cut it na. Kasi I'll be honest, no. Okay, number one, baka sabihin lang, oh, talaga ba? So, I've been running my company for the past 30 years. I started 1994. So, this is a joke, no? Every time na nagsasalita ako, really? So, because I started at the age of 10, no, joke lang yun. Kasi baka nag-compute sila.
Yeah, my mind was computing as well. You got me
Diba?
there.
So I'm already 50 plus. So, pero maaga ako nag-start. I started the business at the age of 22. So,
Ah,
yeah. So, after parang less than 2 years ba? And then sabi ko mag-start na ako ng business. Pero paano nangyari 'yun? 'Di ba? So I'm not kumbaga pagka-graduate ko and then I become an executive assistant without experience and then I became naging ang last stint ko is the assistant marketing manager at the age of 21. Parang gano'n, 'di ba?
wow.
Oo. So my last job was with Yupanco Group of Companies. So, yun lang. So,
Uh-huh.
parang nung bumalik ako sa oh, okay, that was 30 years ago. But anyway, so, hindi naman kami mayamang pamilya, no? So, wait lang. Hindi naman kami mayamang pamilya. So, maybe
Mhm.
merong history ng yaman, pero yun yung lolo. Siyempre, hindi naman ako yun, no? So, yung parents ko, bata pa lang siguro ako, nakita ko yung mundo. Ito yung totoong mundo na mahirap ka. Hindi naman mahirap, no? Hindi kagaya ng hirap na totoo. So, middle class, for example. At because
Nakakaahon. I mean,
Oo,
you go
nakakakain
by
na 3
you go
beses.
by
Oh,
the
yeah,
normal
yeah, yeah.
day. Yeah.
Normal
Right.
day, kumbaga, swerte kami
Uh-huh.
kasi we have the pamana ng lolo ng apartment. So, basically, ganun yung buhay. Hindi yung parang, but I graduated in a public school, no?
Mhm.
Tinry naman na mag first year high school sa private. But because of, sabi ko, hindi kaya, ako na mismo nag-decide na hindi na wag natin ituloy dyan, no? But sa college, sa UE, no? So, pero, yung hirap, palagi ko sinasabi kasi yung hirap, kasi nakita ko yung hirap ng magulang.
Mhm.
Kasi hindi naman
Mhm.
sila nakatapos, di ba? Kung hindi sila nakatapos, so at the age of 9 or 10, tumutulong na ako sa kanila. For example, ang nanay ko ay, nakikita ko nanay ko ngayon. So, ang nanay ko ay nagtitinda sa palengke. So, this was,
Yeah.
so nagtitinda siya sa palengke. So, ako, at the age of 10, ang isip ko bukas na sa kahirapan, no? So tumutulong ako sa kanya sa palengke. Tumutulong ako kumuha ng paninda sa konsignasyon, familiar ako diyan sa ganyang lugar, no? So may kumbaga, and then natira ako sa tita ko. Kasi natira ako sa kanya, tumulong ako sa kanila. At the age of 10, na-experience ko lahat 'yon. But
Mm.
yung tatay ko din, gano'n naman, tulong sila ng nanay ko sabi nga ng tatay ko, lahat pwedeng itinda kahit sira ulo, sorry for the word. But because lahat ng scrap, no? Lahat ng scrap, ulo ng sugpo, lahat yan. Sabi ko, yung tinik na bebenta sa lapot, kasi ni-export eh. Kinukuha
Yeah.
namin yung paninda, paninda doon sa nag-export ng kinukuha namin yung reject or kinukuha namin yung napagtanggalan and then binibenta yan sa palengke.
So in other words, Ana, you were exposed because of the situation, di ba? Ilan ba kayong siblings?
5 kami, pero pang-apat ako.
Pang-apat. And all of you are exposed to this. In other words, you have no time to probably enjoy your being a child, playing, but you see, nakikita mo kasi, no? Araw-araw nakikita mo yung magulang mo, nanay mo, tatay mo. And kumbaga naging kusa na sa loob mo, no?
Yes.
Na tumulong, right? So I think basically that is yun ang pinanggagalingan mo, no? Doon ka humuhugot ng lakas, no? Kasi yun ang importante yun sa values ng parents, di ba? Nakikita mo ngayon na how the parents expose the children will matter in a result of them volunteering, di ba? Hindi kasi iba-ibang parents kasi, di ba, Ana, ayoko dumaan yung sa hirap yung mga anak ko, di ba? Pero dapat makikita nila kung anong pinaghugutan nila, di ba? In other words, generation to generation, I guess, no? So, ganon nangyari.
Nasa magulang o nasa bata. At the end of the day, yung bata ba talaga? Kasi kahit anong push ng magulang, yung bata,
yeah.
Pero yung bata na may kusa siya, na mahal niya yung pamilya niya, na mahal niya yung magulang niya, hindi na kailangan sabihin pa sa kanya yon. Kasi ano yun nararamdaman ng tao. Matanda ka man, bata ka man, di ba? So, ganun yung pagbukas yung puso mo sa, ano ba yan? Bigay ng Diyos, di ba? Yung pagmamahal.
Correct.
Yung pagmamahal. So, siguro bata, hindi at siguro, no? Bata pa lang ako, alam ko na merong ganung puso na yung bata, na kung sino man ako ngayon. Yun.
Correct. So, okay, you finish and then you're able to finish your college.
Ang mahirap pa rin yun, ha?
Bakit? Ano hirap? Naging working student ka ba?
Hindi mo alam kung saan mo kukunin ng tuition fee.
Ayun, oo, no?
Hindi mo alam yung matatapos ka ba o hindi kasi yung tatay mo hindi mo alam kung saan kukuha, pero grabe yung sipag ng tatay at nanay ko. Sobrang hard work nila. Kumbaga lahat gagawa ng paraan para makatapos kami, makatapos ako. So ganun yung wala kang time na parang maglakwatsa. Kasi alam mo kailangan kang umuwi. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung kailangan mong ipakita na tayo hindi sayang yung pinaghihirapan ninyo. Emotional, sorry kasi
it's okay.
Oo, kasi ang tatay ko passed away 5 years na, but I'm still connected with him in a spirit, no? So
yeah, that's true. Sabi nga nila, sabi nila they're always around, I mean, always embracing you, especially in times of need, di ba? Yung ganon. Pero tama yun, yung para bang ginagapang mo paano yung tuition, no? Para bang siguro pumapasok sa isip mo, no? Magti-tuition na naman, paano mo
Minsan nahihiya na nga ako na magsabi. Alam mo, sasabihin ng school, exam na. Hindi ka namin bibigyan ng exam. Alam mo yung parang, mahirap. But of course, may mga magaling ang, sabi ko nga, magaling ang magulang ko May nauso yung, kailangan mo muna isanlayan, ganyan, di ba? So,
pero in times of need, nakikita mo, no? Di ba, minsan para ka nasa banginan, di ba? You're at the edge of the cliff. Then all of a sudden, if you don't have faith, and you don't have credibility, babagsak ka. Pero all of a sudden, biglang dumarating. No? Have you noticed the mystery? Nakikita mo yung mystery na
Sobra.
Na if you look back, yung bang there was a time probably na paano yan, 2 days from now, exam na, paano yung permit ko? Biglang all of a sudden, bigla para ka nabunutan ng tinik, no? Parang gano'n.
Magmamagandang loob.
Ayun.
May nagmamagandang loob.
Exactly.
Mabait naman ang nanay at tatay ko, di ba? I mean, may nagmamagandang loob.
Pero, out of nowhere, di ba? Out of nowhere.
Yes. So, rin naman, credit din naman sa mga tao na yun. And, but again, maraming challenge yung family lagi ko sinasabi na hindi perfecto ang tatay ko at ang nanay ko. Pero, nag-stick sila for 50 years. So, siguro yung tip, bakit ko laging hina-highlight yung magulang ko? Kasi parang sila yung hero ko ba in a way?
Siyempre.
Kasi sila yung kung lagi kasi yung for example yung value na binigay ng tatay ko, laban lang anak. So pag nadadown ako, naririnig ko yung boss, laban lang. Alam mo, laban lang. So parang naging hashtag laban lang. Parang laban lang. So parang gano'n.
Correct. So, again, moving forward, okay, nakatapos, nung college ka ba, nagtatrabaho ka na, or...
Okay. Kasi sabi ko sa tatay ko, tay, tatakas ako for interview eh. Nalaman niya, no. Responsibilidad ko na mag-aral kayo ng maigi. Akong bahala sa inyo. So, but my college life, I'm part of the Christian na campus ministry. No,
Ah,
it's a campus ministry. So, ang buhay, retreat, recollection, misa, Bible study. So, yung wala akong extra barkada na party dito, party gano'n. So, hindi
ah,
naman ako sobrang religious, no? So, baka hindi iba. But again, but because of the support of that community. Sa UE kasi we have campus ministry
oo,
managed by Anan. So,
oo,
yung naging mundo, even in that community, nagli-lead na rin kasi kami. So, dun din na
mm,
practice, I'll become for example, a head of that particular group, ganyan. Pero everyone is naman equal, no? Walang ano. So, baliktad nga dun servant leader. So, kung nandun ka sa top, ikaw yung magagawa. Ganon.
ah,
So, kabaliktaran, di ba? So ikaw yan, ikaw ang magkilos. So, for
correct.
example, pag nagre-retreat, o ikaw magugas ng pinggan, ikaw magsiserve, mga ganyan. So,
Baliktad ang pyramid, no? Kung yun, binaliktad ang pyramid, di ba? Baliktad. So anyway, so with that experience, now, what about, let's talk about your entry to the journey of being an entrepreneur. Kailan nyo naging, well, you also worked, right, after college?
yes. So dahil I'm part of nung college, nasa chapel ako, sabi ng aking prayer partner, alam mo I have this planner and up to now, nako nalubog na pero I still sa planner ko I called it journal, 'di ba? So may journal ako,
Journaling.
yeah, journaling. So I love journaling. So ko, Dear Jesus, sabi ng prayer warrior ko, lista mo diyan yung 5 bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve. So that was 1992. So 94 ako nag-graduate. Dapat mangyayari pa yan, mga 96, 97. So nangyari siya lahat ng wala pa. So I mean, so advanced. So the 5 years. So ano-ano yun? Number one, syempre estudyante pa lang ako noon. Bakit ko kinukwento? Ito pala importante na nasa utak at nasa puso mo, nililista mo na. No? So,
In
minamanifest
other
mo.
words, carved in stone.
Yeah, so now, kasi
Diba?
sinasabi manifest, but yeah, so, number one, dahil estudyante pa ako, no, sabi ko, kailangan makatapos ako ng pag-aaral. Number two, nakakatuwa, ano, magkaroon ako ng someone na, uh, magkaka-boyfriend, for example, and then, magkakapamilya, no, magkakapamilya, and then magkaka-business.
Apat.
Ang panglima is to help my parents. So very clear sa akin yun. Very clear na talagang nilista ko kasi business and then syempre parents. 'Di ba? So ang ano pala is to find job. Basta yun yung ganun. So job and then business and then family, support my parents, no. So ganun. So nangyari lahat siya. But again, after the graduation, nag-work ako. Wala pa ako, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung mga transcript, etc. Kasi gusto ko na talagang magtrabaho. Kasi kung mag-i-intend
Mm.
mag-transcript, matagal. So, ang Sterling Paper is so close sa UE, sa Caloocan, kasi Caloocan ang office nila. So, very supportive sila sa mga newly grad. So, yung
Are you talking about Sterling Paper?
yes, Jerry Lim, Henry Lim,
Henry, yeah, the late Henry.
the late Henry,
Yeah.
and Jerry, I'm still close to Jerry, now becoming
Ah,
friend, ganyan. Kasi first boss ko siya. So,
ah,
na-mentor din ako in a way kasi, yun na nga, so nag-work ako doon without any experience. Sige, ang nakakatuwa ito, very honest talaga yung puso. Hindi ko tinataas yung sarili ko. Kasi tinanong ako, di ba, normally the typical question is, where do you want in the next 5 years? What do you want in the... Di ba, ganun yung mga question pag ini-interview
typical HR question.
Typical HR. Pero nung tinanong ako ni Jerry Lim, sabi ko, no, because I wanted to have my own business. Siguro sabi niya, bakit ito i-hire? Gusto magtayo ng negosyo. Di ba?
Sa akin.
Doon ako natawa. So siguro sabi niya, okay, you're hired. So parang siguro sabi niya, itong bata, I was like 20, 21, so 21 years old, no? Parang newly graduate, very open. So, at hindi ko siya yung executive secretary ni Jerry, nang walang experience, hindi ko siya parang became more proactive rather than waiting for work. O, ito yung gagawin mo, hindi. Mas naging aggressive ako. Newly grad di ba?
Mm.
I talk to the sales group, sales team. I organized their PowerPoint that time. That was 1993.
Oh, bago pa lang yun, ha? Mahirap pala yun.
Yes po.
May mga courses pa noon ng PowerPoint, di ba?
Yes, but ako yung nag-introduce nung gano'n. Sabi ko, kaya ko to, gagawan ko kayo ng mga ganitong presentation. So, nabukas yung isip ko hindi ako naghihintay ng ano yung uutos
Mm.
nyo, but rather, this is my knowledge and willing to share. So, it's not about I'm being executive assistant, etc. So, every time na kasi ito yung naging ground, ano kaya naging, yung sterling naging, ano ko, foundation ko also in terms of my creative side, kasi marketing ako, marketing grad. So, ang
Mm.
daming department nila, ang dami nilang businesses. So, for example, at that time, notebook o anong design na notebook, do you have any suggestion? May ganito. So, even executive secretary, I was trusted na given a chance na to give all my inputs, no? Ang galing ni Jerry talaga. Ano talaga ako kay Jerry Lim, no? Talagang, oh, what do you think of this? What's your inputs, etc. for the design. So parang sa kanya, siguro tinitignan niya rin yung kakayahan at para mag-explore yung isip ng isang tao. So, and then, parang last, ano lang, parang sabi ni Jerry, sa anong gusto mong, wala pang 6 months, di ba? Sabi niya, brand management ba or sa sales? Eh, syempre, bata pa lang ako, alam ko na yung word na sales. Tapos, tapos minamanage ko yung sales department. Sabi ko, if you were going to transfer me, I want to be part of the sales department. And then, pinag-aralan ko, and then I set up the institution department.
Mm.
May institution na sila, institutional account, but it's more on a diary or na planner. Yun lang yung binebenta nila. And then sabi ko, Jerry, you have a lot of product lines. I want to explore this item. Let's put logo of the ball pen, put dito, etc. Sabi niya, pwede ba yun? Pwede yan, no? I'll introduce that department to any different accounts. Sabi niya, grabe. Sabi ko, kaya natin yan. So, parang ganon. So, but anyway, I excel, no? I excel. Thank you to Jerry, no? I was able to excel and set up that ng mas malawak, not just a planner, no? Not just a diary. I don't know kung tinutuloy pa rin
But
nila.
you're always in touch with reality, di ba? Yung mga hindi impossible eh. Pero sa word sa'yo, it is possible. In other
Possible.
words, your reality, your dream is turned into a reality and you speak on behalf of the market, di ba? Yung merkado eh.
Oo.
Na wala pa sa merkado nito, di ba?
Yeah, wala pa. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit may ganong biyaya ang Panginoon eh, di ba? Parang,
You're probably blessed on this na you're given the vision and
amen.
you're able to introduce something innovative, no? I mean, the word innovative has been in existence for years, no?
Yes.
Except ikaw ang yung nauna, no? You're able to do it kasi some people would always think that way, put it in their head and that's it. It maintains in their head, no? Pero ikaw yung lakas loob na, again, I'll reiterate what your dad said, laban,
Laban.
di ba?
Ang sarap niyo marinig. Pwede ba paulit para naririnig ko yung tatay ko?
Hindi, kasi para bang sinasabi mo, the impossible will always stick to
Yes.
somebody, di ba? Yung bang ganon, di ba? Pero minsan, pag sinabi mo naman, because of the root that you have, no, with your dad, your parents, and the word laban triggers your mind eh. Kasi bata ka pa, nandyan na yan eh. In other words, it is like the explosion that is created in you. And that's why you created that dream to become reality. So ano nangyari doon sa journal na yun? Naging top seller ba?
Marami silang nabenta. Marami silang nabenta ng mga imported basta anyway. So parang ganon. So
Oo.
siguro din sa hindi nakakalimutan ni Jerry as my first boss. Para lang din baka may mapulot eh, no? Pag break time, kasi ngayon there's a social media, di ba? During break time, lunch time, di ba normally matulog ka or makipagtsikahan ka sa mga office mate mo. Na-observe ni Jerry that I read books. So during my 1 hour, I love to read books. Hindi ko pinapatay yung ilaw. Kasi talagang kailangan ko magbasa. Kasi newly grad, tas ano pa ba yung pwede, ganyan, basa ako ng basa. So akala nila nagmamasteral na ako. Sabi ko, teka muna, kakagraduate ko. So akala nila nagmamaster, eh, di ba? So akala nag-aaral na agad ako. So yun yung bibigyan ako ng libro ni Jerry, pag galing siya. Yung pasalubong is libro. So siguro nakita niya, itong batang ito, parang ganon. So, yeah, so pag makikita si Jerry, lagi niya sinasabi sa mga empleyado niya, ang nare-recall niya sa akin, hindi naman yung trabaho eh. Ang nare-recall niya yung paano ako magbasa ng libro, na mahilig magbasa ng libro. Parang ganun.
Hindi, tsaka alam mo, ito yung point natin, yung punto mo na sinasabi ngayon is
Oo.
actually making use of time eh. Di
Making
ba?
use of
Time
time.
is of essence, di ba? Sabi nga natin. But if you don't make use of your time, it will never come back eh.
Oh,
What you
no.
did of reading books, siguro this is a habit that is being challenging now, di ba? Ngayon, di ba? So, very important. So, nagkaroon ka ng mga stepping stone. Okay, so moving forward, ano na ngayon? Kailan ka na naging negosyante?
So, may mga
Talagang
yeah.
tumawid na sa larangan ng industriya.
Oo. So I resigned, no? And then parang na-pirate. And then my last job was nga with Dipangco, no? Sabi ko dun sa HR director, sabi ko, parang parang wala pang 1 month ako sa kanya. Malaki salary, Kasi syempre, head na ako that time, o IC na yata ako that time, no? So sabi, how much, no? How much salary are you expecting para hindi ka mag-resign? Sabi ko, it's not about the money. The fact na wala naman kaming pera nung time na yun eh. Mahirap nga kami, di ba? Ang inaasahan lang ng
Correct.
tatay ko yung sweldo ko, di ba? Parang
Oh.
magagalit siya. So parang sabi ko na, because I wanted to set up my own company. And then the following day, doon pa yung diary ko din na start parang business 1994. So andyan pa rin yan, April 28, I can still recall. So 1994, walang pera, but I have the knowledge and the heart. And the experience with Jerry Lim, and the experience parang nag-consultant or pirate na consultant ako dun sa isang similar business desk na Chinese. So sabi ko, no, you can do it. And meron akong account na binigay sa kanya, ang laki-laki. Jollibee. I was able to close 1992, 93, 2 million worth.
Yeah.
2 million worth yun na project sa kanya. Hindi ko kinuha yung, up to now, hindi ko kinuha na kahit na pwede kong kunin because I believe na para yan sa inyo, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi ko kinuha yung account, no? So anyway, so yun, sabi ko, without money, as in literal, walang pera, nag-set up ako, I register my BNL pa that time, no? Single proprietor. Sabi ko is, kaya ko to, pagising ko ng umaga, sabi ko, punta na ako, kaya ko to, gagawin ko to. So, ganun lang, parang God is so great, parang, okay, gising ka, bata ka, hindi ko na tinignan ilang taon ako. I was like 21. Yeah, I was turning 20. Turning 22, no? Turning 22. Galit na galit syempre yung tatay ko. Kasi the typical parents, they want you to be on that corporate, di ba? Yun ang typical
Siyempre. Oo.
Sabi niya, nakikita na kita sa TV, nagpo-promote ka na. Kasi Konica Films, no? That time, kay Pepe Pimentel. Naku, ang edad na bisto na. So nagpo-promote na
Naabutan ko ba yun?
Kasi nag-promote na ako kay...
Ano yun? Pera o kahon?
Pera o kahon, no?
Kita mo,
Nag-promote na ako. So, even Pepe wanted me to become part of the host. So, but anyway, that's parang sabi ko, ilang beses yung ganong mga decisions, dito ba ako? Mag-hosting ba ako? O dito ba ako? Even those decision making na at the age of 21, 22, parang ang tanda-tanda ko na. Parang ang tanda-tanda na ng mindset.
Pero nagkaroon ka na, no? You're always faced with crossroads, right? Tell me, Ana, what is your guiding light? What is your North Star when you come up with crossroads, di ba? Parating merong humahawi, no? May tumatawid sa right in your horizon. Biglang meron dumadaan na gano'n, no? Para bang may tren na nagsasalubong. Ano ba nagiging guide mo sa sarili mo?
I'll be honest, no? Sabi ko, and up to now, it is really the wisdom from God. Diba? I mean, hindi ko naman alam yun na ganun-ganun. Pero parang bigla siyang anghel na parang, eto yan. Alam mo, the angel, my guardian angel would say, and of course, sa totoong mundo, is yung tatay ko at nanay ko.
So in other words, parang you're not blinded by alam mo naman, maraming mga palamuti na sinasabi natin diyan, no? Kasi maraming iba yung bang didiretso, kakanan, kaliwa, kanan, hindi makakalaman because, you're being flushed with so many benefits, di ba? Pero parang ikaw para kang yung kabayo na nakatakip yung mata no? Nakaganon ba?
Okay.
Nakafocus ka talaga.
Siguro yun nga, balikan natin ng pagkabata, no? Talagang na ano na yung yung sipag mo nung bata ka. Yung doon nang galing yung tatag ng loob mo na para bang hindi pwedeng hindi mo gagawin kasi kailangan mong
Correct.
gawin. Kasi
Correct.
kung hindi mo ginawa, di wala kang pagkain. Parang ganon. Di wala
Exactly.
kang baon, di ba? Parang
Oo.
anong gagawin mo sa buhay mo? Tatanga ka lang. Parang ganon yung napamulat sa akin. So mabilis magdesisyon. Lagi
Mm.
sabi ng tatay ko na focus ka lang, ito ka lang. Kumbaga hindi ka pwedeng maraming magaglit.
Hindi kalat-kalat na pag-isip.
Huwag kang
Okay.
kalat-kalat.
Yeah. So fast forward tayo ngayon sa modern, in our times of the year 2000, nagsimula ka ng negosyo. Ano ba yun? 30 years ago, itong Modern Ads and
1994.
Promo, no?
1994 as a trading company.
Okay.
As a-
Anong basic na ginawa mo doon? You're doing events, promotions?
No, this is for the giveaway products. Yun muna yung isa. The Modern Ads is a giveaway company. So trading company with experience ako dun sa Sterling, di ba? May kumbaga without
Ito ba yung mga corporate giveaways na sinasabi mo?
Yes, without any connections, without any contacts, kahit nag-work ako without money. So parang sinabi ko, kaya ko to, gagawin ko to. And then meron akong isang parang kapitbahay yata, o sabi ko ito, and then yung mismong kung saan ako nag-work, for example kay Jerry, o merong isang requirement, kuha ko dyan, ako nagde-deliver, alam mo yon, sabi ng isang kakilala ko, doon mo lang din pala kinuha, hindi naman kayo naghanap, ako naman yung naghanap.
Yun, tama yun. In other words, you're a pool of resources, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Para bang abilidad.
Abilidad. Thank you for that word. Abilidad.
In other words, sabi mo, diyan mo lang pala kinuha. Oo nga, pero ikaw naman, hindi ka naman kinuha kasi ako nakaisip.
Ako nakaisip.
So, nakaisip na gumawa ng decision at gumawa ng action, di ba? Kasi marami naisip ko pero hindi mo naman ginawang action. Hindi sa'yo yun, di ba? So yun. So you're able to become creative again on marketing side.
Yes.
Your right brain is functioning. And then it's not because of money. You're able to churn out something that is bagay na bagay sa kliyente.
Oo.
Diba?
And siguro yung dahil nga na-try nila, wala pang internet doon, di ba?
Oo.
Yes.
Dyaryo lang yun at probably direktoryo. Di ba? Directory.
Ang basis ko noon, where to get the clients is the billboard.
Wow.
My ad is always on the billboard. Sino yung may billboard? May pera yun. Ako
tinitignan mo
internet
tinitignan mo siguro gano'ng kalaki ang billboard nito. Back to back ba ito?
Diba?
Ito pa yung, di ba? Oo.
So ang mata ko, kahit nasa jeep, nag-jeep lang ako noon, nag-LRT ako noon. So ang mata ko, tapos nakikinig ako doon sa nag-uusap. Tapos yung mata ko magalaw I mean, yung utak ko malikot So tingin ako dito, meron to. Ito, tapos titignan ko sa Yellow Pages, and then I'll call. Kasi dati sa bahay lang sa bahay lang telepono lang namin. The good thing is, merong telepono ang parents ko, may landline kami, 'di ba? May landline kami. Call. Ay, naku, mapupunit na yung yung daliri. Hindi na makarelate yung mga bata ngayon, 'di ba? So parang
sabi na, ano ho ba yung gadget niyan at nakatali sa kable? Cable TV ho ba yan, 'di ba?
Di ba? Parang, yung ganon. So, naging siya na, yung mata ko is, since I'm focused on, walang internet, saan kukuha, and then I'll go to the mall, I'll check sino yung mga kliyente, ano yung possible clients, and then I have to make sure na kahit nag-jeep lang ako, at nag-LRT, I wanna make sure that every time I go to the client is I am presentable. Ano ibig sabihin? Hindi kailangan mahal yung damit mo, kailangan maayos ka lang. Laging yung sinasabi ng tatay ko. So sa Green Hills pa ako namimili ng mga t-shirt.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong. It depends on kung sino nagsusuot, di ba?
Yun ang sabi ng
ganon. Oo.
na kailangan
Wag lang
kasi
makikita, wag lang makikita yung sales tag sa likod mo siguro. No?
wala.
Baka
So,
nakalimutan.
so ayun, so parang ano, sabi ng tatay ko, kahit mura ang damit mo, pero presentable ka.
Exactly. Hindi, tsaka the way you talk, no? You show, you exude with confidence, no? Umaapaw yung iyong confidence. And then, at the same time, yun nga, believe ako kasi you have that passion. I'm sure you have received so many no's. N-O.
Ay, oo. Oo
Di
naman.
ba? Marami kang, will think about it. Sorry, will call you. Di ba? Yung mga word of telling you kindly, di ba? Yung bang N-O. But how did you persist on the N-Os?
Marami, especially doon sa mga big accounts. No. So but at yung pag sinabi na kasi I'm transparent na I don't have a manufacturing at that time. At that time. But what is my edge kasi yung ibang supplier, eto yung produkto nila, that's it. But my hindi ko sila tinatantanan. Sorry for that word. No? Hindi ko sila tinitigilan. So, pag sinabing no, ay hindi, may chance pa. Bakit? Oh, I'll give you an example. Sabi ko, I will design, I will create for free. So, these are my samples. These are, pwede niyong gamitin. So, parang ikaw yung nagiging brand, ano nila din. So,
Ah,
brand department or creative
correct.
department. So, this is my secret now I'm sharing, no? It's I gave extra, not just the product, but the extra service for 30 years. So yes,
Wow.
there's no, but that no, uh, kasi ang daming ano ang daming, alam naman natin ang politics in the company, no? May mga favorite sila, may
Marami kang layers na dadaan,
marami kang
di ba?
layers.
Oo,
Oo.
oo.
Pero kasi
Pero
once
one thing I noticed, no, like for example, well, we met in with Grace, no? The Amazing Grace, di ba?
yeah.
Grace
Thank you to
Mondad.
Grace, oh. Thank you to
Oh, the Rising Tiger, the Top News Asia, and all the. And I was given this red box. My gosh, sabi ko, ano ito? Ay, ano yan? Product ni Ana yan. But from the box, the first impression is a lasting impression, correct?
yes.
But then when you open it is like, like ano ba tawag nun? Parang the genie came out of the box, di ba?
It's the experience while you open the box.
Yung experiential yung ginawa mo no?
Yeah.
It's somebody that you're given. Maraming nagbibigay ng mga corporate giveaways, but
Yes.
parang okay lang. Pero ito, meron kang storya no? May storya ka na, no? Like for example, pagbukas mong ganun, the box itself may kalidad, number one. The opening is an experience. Tapos pagbukas mo na naman ng ganun, may boom. May chocolate pa. Ayos to, no?
Yeah.
Hindi ba? Tapos meron pang yung mga nowadays na Zoom. Ano yan? Ano ba tawag nito? Yung fan.
Power bank, fan, yeah.
Yung fan na ang hirap, ang tagal, ubos ng battery. You must have really be a good supplier. No? Parang, wow, galing. Galing ng ano. So, this is something 30 years, no? And you already established another company, Ana. So, this is not something that is your baby, but the baby grew up and another baby came up. Ano yun? Anong negosyo yun?
Okay, 2001, so from 1994 to 2001, nagkaroon ako ng events company. Kasi yung events company, yung isang client ko, na sobrang daming in-order na giveaway. So, but nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong manufacturing after parang 3 years lang, I have my own manufacturing na. But anyway, so sabi ko, bakit kaya, malikot nga ang isip, bakit kaya order ng order? Para saan kaya itong in-order nila? Events. So and then I enrolled to an events seminar, and then I went to US to also broaden my knowledge sa events industry. I went to Las Vegas to study, no. So yung ganun, sabi ko, and then I ito pala yung events. So then I have I established big conferences like Events Asia. How many years ago I organized spa and wellness. That was 20 years ago, the word wellness, yung mga ganon.
Hindi pa kilala wellness ng araw.
But ako nag-umpisa. So I have the kids world, I have the bar wars, etc. So because nga I love to read, I love to be, ay mga ganon. So, yun yung ganon. So, mas na-explore yung knowledge mo. Hindi lang nag-stop doon sa giveaway kasi nga, kailangan pala nila ng ganito kasi may events. And then, I introduced the word brand activation, the brand
Mm.
ambassador, the roadshow. So, one of my biggest account is Smart Communication, no? So, naging client
Mm.
ko. And the first, sa Modern Ads pa lang, 1994, client ko na si Smart at that time. So yung ganun. Then, nagtayo ako ng mga, yeah, nagtayo ako Next Step Events, and then I changed then to Lead Impact Asia, and then I have a Singapore office also for the consultancy. So the purpose of that is to help professionals kasi maraming mga professionals but they don't know how to offer, 'di ba, yung services nila.
Mm.
Yun,
Mm.
'di ba? Maraming mga consultant but they don't know how to offer their value, yung value nila and which market.
Mm.
So, together with for example, I produced the LinkedIn management
Aha.
2017. So, what's the value of LinkedIn, no? So, andun yung mga advanced nga eh. So, advanced. So, now pa lang yung LinkedIn. But again, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Basta wag ka lang, alam mo, you just have to be uh, open, wag mo agad binablock yung mga knowledge na yan.
Mm.
Sasabihin, wala naman akong pera. Nag-1994 nga, wala naman din akong pera eh. So,
Correct.
whatever na malulugi ko, for example, o kasi I also set up mga other businesses na hindi rin naman nag-boom, di ba? Pero, yung pera na yun, galing din sa pagod at ano mo, di ba? Kasi
Correct. So
wala ka.
basically, you are, wow, you're a complete package person. No? You package people because you have a package, your own packaging. But again, for entrepreneurs, yung mga negosyante, di ba? Yung mga negosyante dito nanonood, para bang, ano bang kinabuluhan ng LinkedIn? Kasi marami naguguluhan na ngayon no? Sa social media ngayon. No? Parang hindi lang dyaryo, hindi lang radyo. Ah, iba't ibang klaseng, kumbaga sabi natin putahe ang nandyan no sa social media, no? So, ano ba ang value ng LinkedIn? Yung iba nga nakakausap ko, sabi niya, "Sir, ano 'yon?" Para bang ano since ikaw ay isa sa mga Hall of Famer, nako yan, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin to ha, itong ating kaibigan na ito. Ano bang value ngayon nakikita mo na you said already na professional people must be able to put in and establish the roots. Paano nga ba talaga ang LinkedIn? Paano ang patakaran dyan?
I started LinkedIn 2015, so many years ago. Ang purpose nun, kasi ang alam nila sa LinkedIn before, it's an HR job
Yeah, that's where you post your work, right? Open for
recruitment.
work, di ba?
Yes, so parang CV siya, akala nila CV, no? Or yung portfolio mo, yun lang yung knowledge nila. Pero I use LinkedIn in terms of being an entrepreneur. I research who I am gonna trust, sino yung mga possible client ko,
Mm.
possible na I mean collaboration. I have some
Correct.
businesses talagang nanggaling from LinkedIn because the LinkedIn but now is nagkakaroon na ng mga, because of the AI pictures nila naiiba, etc. But we really have to be careful of putting our messages, right? Kasi they're looking at you, they're checking your background, they're reading your post. So it's not about self-centered anymore. It's a
Yeah.
community. What else can you as a person share to the world? Kasi it's how many I don't know, I cannot count. Billions now,
Alam,
1.2
oo,
billions
billions
now.
yan yeah.
1.2 billion now members. And here in the is 12 million yata tayo, or 20. So I have in my business in Singapore, Lead Impact Singapore, I manage some account. They tap my company to help them, no, to help itong kanilang mga LinkedIn page or portfolio or profile. Pero
Mm.
sila pa rin yun. Ibig sabihin, hindi kami basta gagawa. So meaning to say, sila pa rin yung nagsasalita. They're still their voice, no? Yan
Correct,
ang
correct.
naming ano ngayon is ang LinkedIn kasi hindi 'to parang self-centered ano. So what can you share? So hindi yung pag nag-post ka that's it. No, you also have to be connected. You also have to reply. You also have to give your insights, right? Not so much on promoting your services or
Correct.
your product. So kung yung LinkedIn ko, I don't focus much on modern ads kasi hindi ko masyadong pinopromote yung kanyari nagtatalk about ako giveaway ganyan so or yung services ko etc. It's more on what else can I share to the world pag nabasa
Yeah.
mo.
It's more of community now, eh. It's
A
not
community
posting my
now.
CV. It's not looking for an employer, but people are now looking who is this and what is the relation to your community. In
Your
other words,
community.
the community around you. Kasi maraming groups yan, di ba? So yun ang nakakaano. Kasi ang daming ngayon, oh, ang daming mga nakalagay, mga top 30, top 100, di ba? Yung mga awards. But sa akin kasi, it's not the award, eh. It's actually the content that you deliver, correct?
Kasi masyadong maraming members. And yung iba kasi ninonominate siya. Ninonominate siya ng within your network. Eh, sabi ko nga, unfair naman. Ako, syempre, nakikita ko, di ba? I have more time with my LinkedIn rather than my Facebook.
Mm.
Kasi it's a business, di ba? So, even spending my time with social media, I am really parang, ano to, I limit, no? Or I value kasi yung time kasi importante, di ba? So,
Correct.
I use LinkedIn in my research. I research a lot through LinkedIn. So because I've been into blockchain, for example, 2018, hindi pa alam yung blockchain. So, mga ganun. Right now ang mababasa mo basically now is about mindfulness because of the
Yeah.
pandemic, after the pandemic, but the mindfulness even before pandemic, that's already my way of life. Ibig sabihin
Yeah.
yung nababasa sa akin even before pandemic, so it's not new to me. So
Mm.
before pandemic, actually I'm supposed to have a workshop about mindfulness together with the book author from Singapore. Kaya lang
Ay, gano'n,
nag-pandemic.
no? So, yeah, mga kaibigan, pag tignan nyo yung ano ba LinkedIn mo, Ana,
Annalisa ba? Annalisa. So I'll share, I'll share it.
oo, ano yan? Ano nga, Annalisa, anong LinkedIn mo?
Samana.
Basta pag nakita
LAS.
nyo yung Annalisa Laksamana, yan eh, i-connect nyo yan, no? So, yeah, so Ana and I are connected. But again, tama yun, no? It's really the quality that counts. It's actually what you can deliver for the community. Yung bang, sa iba muna bago ikaw, di ba?
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
yung, hindi yung ako at bago kayo. Di ba? Para bang hindi eh, mali eh, no? Siguro ngayong mga mundo to talaga nagbabago na, no? Yung bang it's others and me, not me and me alone. Di ba? Parang gano'n, no? Lumalabas. So anyway, Ana, again, siguro mga dalawang tips na pwede mong ibigay sa mga nanonood sa atin dito sa Manila Times Vlog. Because ang dami mong nasabi na pwede nilang ulitin, okay? At inuulit naman itong ating vlog, no? Ano ba yung practical tips in surviving in our world of this year, of this, this 2025 and on? Ano ba yung mga dalawang mong creativity na makikita mo sa crystal ball mo?
Sir Butch, bago ko magbigay, baka lang makalimutan ko yung aking platform na Nahil, no? So, nahil.com. It's a holistic platform for holistic and wellness platform. So ano siya, Nahil. So, because of bombarded things, so bakit ka meron kang depression, etc. So, this is also my way of it's a mission kind of business. So anyway, so ang dalawang bagay lang na bakit nagsusustain yung company, or for example up to now I'm still aggressive, or I'm still yung naandun pa rin yung pananaw ko na teka, hindi lang dapat nagstick ka into one project or into one business, no, there's several opportunities, no, outside. Pero ang pinakadalawang bagay lang na na kailangan kong maiwan siguro is yung hindi hindi muna ikaw. Yung ang importante is hindi ko to gagawin kasi gusto kong yumaman. Kasi gagawin ko to kasi maraming taong nangangailangan, whether
Mm.
financial or what. So, gagawin ko to dahil may kasamang pagmamahal. That's why I said I'm compassionate, di ba? So, many would say, no, but it's true, no? Sabi nga ng professor ko sa Edmorato, it's because of the love that we have in our heart, no? So, dapat nag-uumapaw yun, even before you start the business. Ano
Mhm.
ang
True.
mission mo, 'di ba? There are several mission mga ganyan. I mean, 'di ba? So ang daming pwede mong ah, gawin pero sa mundo ang lagi lang dapat na sinasabi din ng tatay ko is hindi mo na dapat ang sarili mo. So dapat bakit mo siya gagawin is because para sa tao. Hindi lang yung para ka kumita, kundi anong maibibigay mo. So,
Mm.
ano mo
True.
na maibibigay mo? And then the business, ang dami-daming negosyo. Now, sabi nga, 'di ba, there's a book that is a flat, the world is flat, no? Especially now, no, yung mga kabataan na talagang because of the social media, but they have to be careful. Okay? The success is there, but you have to make sure that you're keep grounded. Kasi
Ah.
otherwise, kapag ka nakalimutan mo na kung saan ka nag-umpisa, kahit mayaman ka dati, or kahit mayaman ka na nag-umpisa, mayaman ka pa rin, but still, kapag ka na-overpower ka with or nalatag sa iyo yung lahat ng material at nakalimutan mo, then depressions will come. Then the loneliness will come. Then will gan. So have to
It's
be
actually the bubble burst, no? In other
yes,
words, at a young age, I've known a lot of young people very, very young, and they
mm,
reach a stage of plateau. Yung bang,
mm,
bata ka pa, bakit yan? Wala na akong saysay, nakuha ko na lahat. Para bang, nako, delikado yun, no? In other words, there's still life, no? And yet,
right,
people
there's still life.
they don't seem to mind, no? Wala na. Kumbaga, they're just floating lilies, no? Yun ang ano doon. So, maganda yan, no? Maganda yan. So, naheal.com. Yan, ha? Dapat yung tandaan yan.
Oh, na-heal na
Okay?
ako. Sana lahat
Nahil.
na-heal na.
Exactly. So, yeah. So, my gosh, Anna, thank you very much for this
Coach.
business mentor blog. It's so enlightening. And again, mga kaibigan, pag-aralan natin ang mga sinabi at mga namnamin natin yung mga salita na laban at creativity at
Creative.
mindfulness. Ang dami niyang mga hugot, sabi nga natin, no? The keywords for Anna, who is successful entrepreneur, no? Again, worldwide, no? In other words, hindi lang siya dito nagsimula, no? At siya ay kumakalat na. So again, Anna, thank you very much for this opportunity. And again, I'm sure you'll keep us in touch with it, naheal.com, and let us know what's happening. Okay? Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Anna.
God bless you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you.
Ang paano mga rap, sasabihin nyo, pagsapit ng dilim, laging may umaga, tatandaan nyo. Ang kabiguan ay nagiging isang koron ng tagumpay. Bakon! Laban. Tuwing madadapa, wag tayong manghihina. Yan ang dito sa mundo, walang katapusan. Walang katapusan ng pagkikipag baka. Walang katapusan pakikipagbaka. Daki na yan. Dagi kang nandoon sa taas. Kung nandoon ka sa taas, nandoon siya sa iyo. Pag wala siya sa iyo, wala ka sa kanya, wala siya sa iyo. Nothing! Nothing! Pero pag ikaw nandoon ka sa kanya, lahat yan.
Posible.
Posible lahat yan. Yun ang sinasabi. Maganda yung sinabi mo. Yun ang masasabi mo. May bukas pa. Daging may bukas pa.